Hello guys, I took one trade in GBP USD. Let's analyze first the dollar. So my expectation first, in the dollar itself was dollar should come, come below this previous candle low as opening near to the low. So my expectation is dollar should come sweep this low and should, give a rejection. This was my for today. We have no bias in the dollar, but in the GBP USD when I came, I saw uh, we have we have SMT here with this euro. Okay, so this candle, I took trade in this candle. Why? Because that time I was expecting this candle is forming the reversal candle. Okay, so how it was looking that time? See this one. This is the 1 a.m. open. So as per phase of price delivery, what do we have? Expansion in, expansion going out, expansion going, then expansion, coming inside. That means what is a V-shape reversal. This is a phase of price delivery. Price delivery. We also close below this consecutive down close candle. Then we form starting to form this range. Okay. So this is the continuation signature expansion to this consolidation, and I saw this candle as a manipulation. So when we form the manipulation at 1 a.m. open, so I was expecting this 2 a.m. should continue below to this range low. Okay, this was my expectation. And yes, one thing to remind, that time this 4 hour didn't, close. It was opening. So I was expecting this reversal candle. Okay, it's prematurely. So when I come to the 30 minute, what I saw, I saw this candle one, candle two, and candle three closed below the range. So this is a nice close. If you see, this is a thick body, bulky body, and if you see, these are all failure swing here. So I was expecting price should come at least to take this, take this low. So I took the trade inside this 2 a.m. candle. I mark the 50% of this, M30 candle. Price should ideally form, the wick of the candle here, and it should go down. This was my idea because what we need when we are expecting 4 hour expansion, we need swing point. So we form the swing point here, candle one, candle two, candle three. Okay, this is a swing point. So I was expecting down move, in this candle. So I came to the 3 minute when 2 a.m. candle open here. See, here we have change in state of delivery. Okay. Also, this consecutive up close candle retests this order block and price close in below. This is also order block. Now, when 2 a.m. open here, it retested the order block and closed aggressively. So, confluence was right. And I took trade here. I kept my stop loss just below this high, and price went uh, price went 0.7 hour, but it failed. It took me out here. So yeah, this is the trade. Is this the valid setup? Yeah, not so high probability. I can say this is just an impulsive trade. I'll say because main thing is dollar. If I am expecting dollar to go down, then GBP will go up. Okay, but yeah, also I should have to wait for this reversal on the daily. The, then only it will be a good high probability. I was expecting this too. I was expecting actually my bias was, bearish. I was expecting daily candle to continue to the downside. Okay. Also, I was expecting this 4 hour candle to continue to the downside. So 4 hour didn't confirm, but 1 hour here it confirmed the reversal. Okay. So I took the trade. Uh, yeah, not so high probability, I'll say this one. Okay, that's for today. Hello guys, let's analyze today's trade. So first I'll start with GBP USD, and today's very interesting price action. Not interesting, it's a totally missed price action. So first of all, I will go with this GBP USD pair. Actually, I took two trades here, and one is loss, one is break even. So let me put this SMT. Sorry, put the Euro USD chart for SMT. So what do we have here? I was expecting, that bearish day for today. Why? Because this is the weekly opens, and Euro USD had the SMT with GBP USD. Okay, that time it was forming SMT here. Now it closed, closed up, but that time here was SMT. Okay, so I thought GBP is weaker and it should continue down because I am bearish on the weekly. So if I am expecting bearish continuation, so what I am looking, this the high of the expansion week on the daily should form. So on 1 a.m. on this candle, I was expecting downside move. This is not the 4 hour confirmation, ideal confirmation that time. And now I will show you this candle. So when this candle was forming, I saw these equal lows. If you see here, and these lows are here. Okay, and these lows are relevant lows, like close lows, also a consolidation, you can say. So I was expecting price should, um, price should on the 1 a.m. should sweep this one, and it should at least continue to downside. This was my idea because I was bearish in the daily. So how did I take confirmation? I took confirmation on the 1 hour. If you see, if you see this candle, okay, if you see this candle swept all this liquidity, and what do we have? Expansion in, expansion out, expansion in coming in. This is a reversal into consolidation. Okay, that means what? This is a continuation price action. When I saw the 1 a.m. form the reversal here, this is the 4 hour open. Okay, this candle formed the reversal. I took entry on this candle, and I was thinking this is the high of the 4 hour, and this candle should continue downside to this, to this lows. So this was my whole idea. And how did I took entry? If we come to the 5 minute, yeah, if you come to the five, no, not 5 minute, in 3 minute, I took this entry. Yeah, this candle. When this candle formed, what is this? This is a swing. Candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. This swing has already formed. So I took entry on this 2 a.m. open. Okay, I'll mark this. I took entry on this candle. So how I took entry on the 3 minute? Yeah, you can see here I took entry. What happened? 2 a.m. open. Okay, retested this order block and close below. So I took market order here. I kept my stop loss here, and price immediately, took me out. So here I took 1% loss. This is the first trade. Actually, I did some mistake here. I forgot to check, forgot to check the SMT with, yeah, Euro USD. Okay. So what happened here? See, on this is the daily open. Okay, daily open here. This candle, this candle ideally, these two candle form the SMT. If you see here we have SMT, also here we have SMT. Okay, because Euro took the low, GBP failed to took the low. Also, if you see we have bigger SMT. How? See this low. This low is already taken by Euro, but here price didn't took, so we have SMT here also. Okay, so I forgot to check this one, and that's why I took this sell trade. Otherwise, I should have, go for buy because see this high, this high are so close high. So this could be, the this could be the very good target, and that is why I took the entry on 7 a.m. here. When I saw this price action, then I took the entry. I took entry here. On this 5 a.m. candle, 5 a.m. open. I will show you how here. So what we are doing basically, we expanded above this range high, and now we are ranging. That means what? That means price is not sweeping. So my idea was to wait for swing formation. This is 5 a.m. open. This is 5 a.m. open. And what we have done, we came down. Okay, we came down. We took some lows here, and what we have done, we closed. We closed here, closed above this candle. So this is a swing formation. I took entry here. Okay, I took an entry in this 8 a.m. candle. I'll show you how. Yeah. So here we form the we form this what we say, we form the change in state of delivery here. Okay, now, okay, no, not there, not there. I took entry at 3 a.m. That means what? Come to 4 hour. 3 a.m. means on this candle. Okay, on this candle I took entry because that time I confirm this is the low of the day, and we will and we will expand to the upside. On this candle I took the entry. When I took the entry, I will show you. Yes, yes, I remember. Here on this candle. Okay, on this candle I took entry. When we failed to push down, and we form the swing point of 1 a.m. candle. Okay, so let me remove this one. We form the swing point of 1 a.m. candle. That means what? This is a 4 a.m. open. Sorry, 1 a.m. open, 1 a.m. This is 1 a.m. candle, 2 a.m. candle form the swing point. This is candle 1, candle 2. Okay, close inside the range. I took entry on this 3 a.m. here. Yeah, this is right. So I took their entry. Yeah, see this 2 a.m. close. I took entry here. Okay, on this candles I took entry. Come to the 3 minute. We have to confirm the change in state of delivery. See, we confirm here. We confirm the change in state of delivery, by closing of this down close candle. Okay, here we confirm the change in state of delivery. If you come to the 1 hour, I will show you. Okay, so what happened here? This candle, this candle formed the swing point, and this candle expanded. Okay, this candle expanded to the high. So we are expecting what? This is candle 1, candle 2, candle 3 expansion. Still our drawn liquidity is here. Previous daily wise, I was targeting there. So we can look for continuation entry. Then I took continuation entry in this 3 a.m. candle near about 4 a.m. open. Okay. So how I took continuation on this one, on this, big reversal. This candle came all the way down from the swing point. I was looking for the reversal confirmation in 3 minutes. By how? By changing state of delivery. And if you see this long down close candle, takes sweep liquidity closed above. And I took in a market order here. When I saw, when price came above this high. That time it was 1 a.m. candle closing time. So I thought, no, this is not going to expand. Also 5 a.m. going to open. When 5 a.m. Will open, at least it will retrace. If it will retrace, then it will took me out. So I close my trade here, at break even. And yeah, this is the trade. But see, if you see, this is totally missed price action. So I didn't look at GBP anymore. And also one thing I would like to add here, just for confirmation, this whole was a range. If you see expansion in, expansion out, and range. Okay, what happened? Price now swept this range low and range high. Two side range, got swept. So I try to take trades here. Though the drawn liquidity met. But if you see how messy the price action is, no clear move, sweeping both candles high, candles low, range high, range low. This is a totally ranging price action, and one of the reason is we are about to close. And if you see monthly close, so we are about to close. So there is a indecisional price action. If you see, this is the first thing I will journal it here. So end of the month, it is end of the day of the month, it is not a good idea to look for trades. And yeah, this is one thing is there in last day of the month. Second is no daily confirmation. I was fading this reversal candle on daily. So this is also low probability. And yeah, these two things I need to keep in my mind. So let's come to the Euro USD. What I saw here. Euro USD, reached to this daily fair value gap. And we have SMT with GU. Let me, okay, that time when I took the trade, uh, GU didn't take this highs. So we have SMT with GU, and I was looking to see this is not the expansion candle, this is reversal. I was expecting reversal candle. That means what? Open long wick to the downside. This is reversal. Okay, so in my mind, I was expecting this daily should close bearish and form reversal candle. Okay, so how I took entry. We form the swing point here. If you see, this is a 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. Close inside. That means what? We form the swing candle one. This is candle one. This is candle two. This is This is candle 3. We form the swing point. Also, one more thing was here. We have SMT with DXY here. Okay, so the DXY took the low, but Euro failed. So we have SMT. SMT confirmed the reversal, and I took trade here on this on this 9 a.m. candle. And I was literally first in my mind I was targeting this daily open because I was not expecting price should continue go down. But when price started to expand, I got greedy and I was looking for this lows to target. This is the first thing I will tell. So that means what? This is reversal into expansion candle I was expecting. But what happened? Let me mark this 9 a.m. open. This is 9 a.m. open. So we form our swing point. Now we can look to take trade in this expansion 9 a.m. expansion candle to the downside. How I took entry? If you come to the Yeah, if you come to the 1 hour, we have SMT here with DXY. Okay, we have SMT here with DXY. That means what? 4 hour 9 a.m. candle is opening within the fractal model. That means what? This is candle one, candle two. If we have SMT, that means what? DXY took this low, but Euro failed. We have weakness. So I literally took this trade on this 9 a.m. open. How? If you come to the 3 minute, see here also we form the SMT and we expanded. Okay, this is the key level. This is the order block. So I took the trade here on the 9 a.m. open and I thought, okay, though we form the swing point, 9 a.m. should expand to these lows. Earlier I marked these lows. This is the first target I have. And no, this is the first target I have with daily open and this is the second target. So I took entry here on 3 minute. See this one. How? 3 minute 9 a.m. open. Okay, when 9 a.m. open, what it did, it went up, it it took this, high in this, inside the order block and closed below here. This is change in state of delivery. And I market executed here. This trade is a 3 hour trade. Okay, but I didn't close the trade. I was holding to these lows. Literally, I was holding to these lows. And I thought market should come down and take this low. So I got a little bit greedy also here. But one thing I did, when market took this low, when I was almost 3 year up, I trailed my stop loss to here. Okay, because there is no such thing to trail. I could have trailed to this high, but yeah, I trailed somewhere here, somewhat here because I already taken loss, so I trailed to here like cover 0.5%, and this is market took this liquidity and totally reverse here. So there is something to note here. If you'll come to the 4 hour, okay, so why price reverse from here? Okay, there are a bunch of liquidity here. It didn't took. Why? After this trade, hit my stop loss. I opened GBP USD, and GBP USD already took this lows. If you see this lows, GBP USD already took. That means what? GBP took the liquidity, Euro didn't. That means what? We have SMT. I'll show you. See this 9 a.m. candle. 9 a.m. candle already took all of this liquidity. Okay, all of this bunch of liquidity 9 but euro failed. That means what? We have SMT here. When we have SMT formed, then price can reverse on you. Okay, this is what happened today. But I didn't check this one, and I was blindly holding this trade to the downside. So if one asset took this liquidity, then there is a chances price can reverse or consolidate or do whatever it can. But though the day is not so clear, this is what happened. And yeah, yeah, this is the trade. And what could I have been, doing better here? You know, I think I should have closed this trade. At least price went 3 hour, and it my take profit level is 2 hour. It hit the take profit immediately. But I still holding this trade and I'm hoping price should go down, and this is what happened. So I marked the take profit level, I marked the liquidity point, but I didn't book the profit. And yeah, this happened. And also this is the good learning point also. Uh, so last day of the month is not so nice. I also mark this, in my past experience. So yeah, this is the trade. Not so high probability, but a kind of okay. This is all about today. Thank you.